Calling all you dirty boys out there, it's time to clean up your toys, and we have the tool to do it. It's a Manly gas-powered pressure washer. Save $140 with today's deal of the day. Great option for Father's Day as well. 2500 PSI, comes with a 25-foot hose cord. It's gas powered, so you can take it anywhere as long as you have a water connection. 8-inch never flat tires as well. 159cc engine. This is a limited supply surplus deal. Once these things are gone, we're not getting any more of these in. So get yours now at Forest City Surplus Canada, 1712 Dundas Street in London, Ontario, or online at fcsurplus.com.